In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Clash Royale on your device, and this will work the exact same whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even playing on PC. But once the game does load, look up in the top right corner of the screen. You're going to see a bunch of different icons. Hit the icon that kind of looks like a bunch of people, and you're going to be redirected to a page that looks like this. We simply have to hit add friend, just like so. From here, you're going to have a QR code that pops up where obviously someone can go ahead and scan this QR code. You can also share a link with whoever you'd like as well, or you can hit scan code, and what this will do is take you to a page that looks like this. We just got to give the device access to your camera and then scan one of your friend's QR codes and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. Of course, they will have to accept a friend request. If you send them a friend request, then you'll have to accept a friend request, and that'll all be done in this exact same section as well. But once you go ahead and knock this out, of course, you'll be able to play with them, invite them to a clan, and do so much more. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.